What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So the whole of TikTok a boom down my people. You see me I say World Dog start World War. World War how much you know? Whatever number it is. You see me I say World Dog start it. King Donia Domidan, I think him and Domidan kinda squash out everything. You see it. We also have Ivany, World Dog link up. I think King Donia get at the World Dog live cause people had to drop a bombshell. Had to drop a bomb. Expose World Dog get boxed with GUN from the youth when name something another yardy. We always have it be at girl in my yard. You see me I say over the girl where King Donia deal with right now. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get in it, my people. So make we kick it off. We have these things my people and more.
It dey on TikTok. At the first one I see it, Jayden tap a fuckery, yeah? Upon TikTok it there. Been out, where you think me get it? No more TikTok. It dey everywhere, thank you. It dey everywhere.
Jesus Christ!
What them say why me never make this a personal? I have to run. Too personal, I have to leave.
Would crumble onto blood clot. This a sound personal, you know?
Need too personal. I need too personal for sure. It is so like venting to me. It's the world again, you know?
What am I say?
Mad me.
Bro, uno can't give me the case. Uno have to fling some case, come give me. Uno take it, uno give me the case about me. We have to fling the case about people. I saw we are gonna win. Not too personal, boy, bro. Not too personal. Nothing. Uno must have the people them like not too personal. If you come, or if you give them it. Uno hold back, we not hold back, nothing, brother. Uno listen to each chat, I know it chat. You think they want to listen to them chat? We come a war. We ready for war, you know? We ready. We ready to tape it up from morning. Jayden, I say too personal. Not too personal, bro. A war. You can't say war personal. Unafraid, not you?
Unafraid.
Unafraid. Jayden, I can't say it war personal. We have fun, we have to go out there. People are coming and chat and they tell me things. Want to free people them we are laugh. We not watch a negative comment. We not come here for that. We come here for beat the people them. We not afraid. That's why I say make me know alone do it. We not bring a subject. I'm telling you how you figure, bro. I don't give me a subject and me I beat them, you know. I don't give me a subject and me I beat them. So now I'm gonna give me a subject or what?
This don't feel like it last time. Funny video show me not like this.
next time one.
I just feel sleep.
Entertainment, I need to get too personal. You see when time they start talk, Jayden I say no, change the topic. World dog never want change the topic. Shay start change it, and then me not understand Shay. Shay, you have to understand.
So are
you carry it up in a Shay? Are you bring up Javi name them, and then when Jayden say him now go run no joke, I to get personal. You jump now Shay, and I say yeah, just want have fun. But you have to remember say you bring it up. Are you bringing it up?
No, me understand, but right.
It's rough, true, cause everybody have to just understand say entertainment, bro. You not figure that personal, I just fun and joke.
No, me feel uncomfortable long time. It's on.
Yeah, like me get what you say.
The first one we did do, it did nice and feel natural. Let's see.
Yeah,
that one I sound too. Vanny member say me I'm gonna run joke every time in the bro.
Me understand, cause them didn't want me over there, and me now go say nothing bad about down here, and me now go say nothing bad about here. So that's why me not going on a spot. But me feel like court's supposed to be fun, bro. It's supposed to just be fun.
Vanny, listen to me, man. You have to understand, you know. Say me the Jamaica, me now build no enemy entertainment. Me the bad. You know that fly out and good.
Look what you keep. Yeah, what you say about
no, me understand the Jayden attack. Remember we lose one.
Barney.
Where you have the people for dead?
Me understand. Jayden, you're not after 40. Me understand.
Shame. Why did they blood clot me?
Alright, Pinaya.
Me afraid. Barney, they man, they have been this me for me this them back.
Oh, Lord, them yeah.
Barney, Barney, you have to know how trouble in a darling. Because life serious. Them boy they have been this me this them back, bro. See?
We are telling.
The dog them know this me, bro. Life serious.
Me kinda understand people who tell me if me a lie. There is so much things me can cuss Javi and Akimbo. I mean always a cut roads. I mean always say this say. Them not diss me, bro.
You don't cuss me, I waste my waste time.
Me always I say them not diss me now go diss them chat. Me always say that. Me now go diss them. Me win this rosealee for me and Attic, but me now diss them cause they not diss me. Me now go just get up and diss you. They not trouble me. Me now trouble them. I mean the girls them at it. Me and Diamond, me and Rosalie, me and them, but me now go carry Javi them and me now go carry Attic. They not do me nothing, so me now this. So me understand what you're doing.
Me not go unfollow you, but me can't tell you, say you not even have to give me again, mama. I understand.
Lion man better know self, watch yourself and watch him attack, cause anything can happen. TikTok are one very serious place. You know what I mean? They make up them story and come sell enough for the time, but a serious place too. You see me? Nobody not take disrespect certain type of way. And able boss say something about world dog and piss pan and mother and people. Me couldn't hear cause yo this thing here I get very serious, man. I like and a joke thing now. A serious matter, you know, my people. So I could watch some more of the Lion Man and then we go over and them real war.
Summit-an.
Yeah, man, I say, man.
I always say, you know this, me not this year, bro. Like, you know that. No, that's.
No, but that's why it's funny.
Come see everything, you understand?
Bro, me and the two girls, let me not think. I mean, sister, one of them mother did sick. I mean, go as far as reach out and say, make your mother get well, whatever. And he said, respect for that, me G. Me and the youth, them, me now go make because me and a girl, me jaggle some people. If you diss me, you go down the drain. If you not diss me now see you, bro. Me I see who this. So me understand the Jayden, I said, but
things like this kind of personal. We could carry them, come them.
You can't make people join and mix up. And then you alone left in night, you know.
Oh, me not got this nobody, so your mother quote me and keep. If we keep quote and we do look at entertainment at the circle. So we have able now to be new judge. Cause when me I look for Atto and when me I look for Dante, I be here, me and Vanny one turn up out here.
Yeah, so what are they doing? You know, so we saw something this morning. Me and Jabba's good. But I remember where they want back it when you and Jabba's fall out. Dante hide. You know what you do this morning? You defend your friend and rate for that.
I always do that, bro.
And that you did one from Dante, bro.
So that's why me and him not deal. That's why me and him not deal, you know.
You not ask the right question. I'm gonna ask you a question, Jayden. When Vanny and when they have them quote the other day, it's just a small question. I'm sure you say these people are hypocrites and you guys are one-sided. When Vanny and Donnie know them have them quote what day, Diamond Vanny did kick out before that? Oh. What make them kick off now?
Because of the court.
Okay then. I'm done. I don't need to ask no more.
Yeah.
One-sided. Selective memory. One-sided. They hear what she say? Oh, me drag the people them when me and them kick off. But when me and people good, me not drag them in a nothing. Bitch. You and them a kick off the other day just because of the court want to keep over the panar. I saw you and her kick off. So what I mean? On the one-sided. I don't like the hypocrite business. Me did don't say it look personal. Me even put up all my hand. And I said, no man, this look personal. And him say, Shay, wait, and I'm going to go and put on my man because my sister it a get personal. So that's why I never really want. But my thing says was all just fun and joke.
We're not miserable for yourself, We're not Jayden, alright?
No, I'm alright.
Not get involved right now, bro. Let me tell you, cause I know me talk facts. You see, when I give the man a little highlight yesterday and this morning, you know what World Dawg should have done? World Dawg should have come, dress up in them costume and do some little dance. That is what him should have do. Instead of you come and talk about people personal business, who jump off and who not jump off, your eyes go look for them, and then come back and say it no personal. It's fuckery. Total fuckery, bro. The man should have take the spotlight and be the original World Dawg since he want come back. You get the man a highlight, you get the man a forward from last night to this morning. Why the little puppy never dress up in a uniform or put on something funny and come run joke or do something? Just do something, bro. Where the people them they love you for first. No, you want to come with court and let out people like personal duty. Me got on a blood clot jump. You know what me talk the secret, you know? Cause he know then tell him say I wanna jump purposely, I set him up. And me believe so for true is a good plan. I bet say I Jayden idea. Jayden, he did intentionally jump for true, no, left him by himself. Right, can't I get personal? Yeah, I want good excuse at Jayden. That's why I have to rate it that. You're smart.
No excuse, TJ. No, I saw it go for true. Yeah, I said people about good. It's not a good excuse. It's so
yeah, can't I get too personal for true?
No, but yeah, said that is a good excuse. It's not an excuse.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad on a jump.
You come right here, so TJ, with the people them to come with him in your personal letter. You have a platform.
Oh, me?
No, TJ.
No.
Really? You see the difference between me now? I make sure come and just sit down and listen all along because me used to never get this too. So I make sure pile up all of my pile and file and just wait. Only care him I go talk about is his entertainment. That is not no fucking entertainment, bro. As what Jayden said earlier, yesterday, they funny. This way I come right now, I go put people in a problem. And that is that. And I don't care. And I freely can talk. Where am I do have madness and fuckery, bro? You keep me tired for telling you, brother. You say you're entertaining, you say you can put on a show, you get everybody that look for the code. You know, put on one costume or one suit and come with some funny thing, dog, and say, yeah, the fuck I wanna the things somebody will come with mix up. And the people that stay for see the entertainment, bro. You wanna come with personal shit for go sing people right now. That no make no sense, brother. That no make no fucking sense. But anyway, I am here. I wish so could over that about desperate. I'm come answer somehow now. Sting from Chica. Mama say if you have a picture. Yes, you have a picture. It's like coming on Fido. The bag them where you fuck for. Chica. How we store this? It's not even a Louis Vuitton store. Miras, H&M. Say can fuck for H&M and you want to come style me? My woman know wear H&M again. She wear Sheen and designer. Go suck your mother. Who else? Let me see who else. Anyway, I can't go on now. Yeah, I can't go on. Big up on this, I can't go on. You know what I'm going? I like the silent treatment. I thought there. Let me go over. I'm here. I want whole year word out there for my name, you know. And I just sit down quiet. I want whole year everybody for my name. I have until 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, I'm done.
All of them sitting there. Tell them women can really not like doing that. Women can't pray. Eh? Alright. Chat, listen to me now. Content for content. This is this. I mean, I have to include a baby mother. So you have to call someone here.
Exactly.
Because I can't tell you, say, I'm four blood clot baby father you pick me up. I mean, I do them sitting there. So don't call no man name in your mouth, bro. Last time you do it, me not say nothing. Careful, I know me can't talk so sitting. Alright? Listen now. Nobody want me can't tell the internet so sitting, you know. How much baby father me call for a few blood clot woman pick me? What make the your father know I mind him? So don't want me contact something. So if I keep it P, we keep it P. Alright? Look more. Okay? I tell you. Just about.
Yo, Shay, man, I like this, you know.
Dog, do nothing, dog. Me I go for my life, go with him. Can't bother.
Alright. Well, Jayden, give the strength making come back, so your reason the dead. So let me see what you must say. I know I got me know him. I take on Jayden later. Watch your joke. Watch your blood clot joke.
Alright, my people. The lion man is a very smart youth. Because we tell you, you see TikTok, you can have fun and way and thing. But when it comes serious to people, a real thing too. You see it, so you have to be careful what you do and say. Especially for the man them in Jamaica. You see me? So I can watch some more.
Short dummy, make this short down here, make this short 6, make this short all of them in their face because me knows you have to entertainment. But when Jayden had me back on him live a while ago, you see how Jayden attacked me low-key, understand where Jayden come from. Jayden basically said he kill us Naya. He never said, but me have sense and me go speak facts. Him basically say you know see what happened to Naya. Him they are Jamaica, they are foreign, him now go this youth them if them not this him. So basically Jayden just the same love him life, him not touch on them the youth the topic. If them not trouble him because he know how things can get with them. And I just
that's all. You see, that's all. But me them over here for my life, I mean I say, me nah do you them things, and nah say nothing about you them because me and them not have nothing.
Yeah, so that the part that me that is share rank I court. No, we have to understand say no when them.
But we never say that. Never say that though. When me say that. Vanya proof. He say I dog them do things to the dog neither, bro.
She said so like that you try say. And she understand, like she try say that, like you think it say yo, them must think it get serious.
I'm the judge, me could talk about other people. Say basically that look like say, true you are the judge, we not fi talk about you. No, I quote everybody I get it because remember say I know I'm real quote. But me just feel like At 2026, everybody for just keep it as content. Too much personal. Me yes, able go live. Me just ask able. Me add able to me live, and the people them a class able a while ago. Able a hypocrite, cause able they are the two personal this man.
But I know me tell you something. Me not agree with 65% of what you're saying.
Yeah.
Why you not agree with me? Say me can't read support it.
One to yesterday when he said, and this morning when he said, a quote for quote, award for award, everything for everything. Why we can come?
No, I'm just saying, why that? You don't think that? You don't think that?
But
Hold on, Ivany.
But me agree. I agree. Me agree to that.
So what you feel like is nobody not supposed to come and say, we don't have to talk about that person or that person or that. We beat everybody. We send
word dog, you're not listen. Word dog, you're not listen. That's the first thing I said. I said that when you keep quotas, everybody get it. Yes. Judge get it. Jury get it. Didn't I say like Jayden can talk about Rosealee and Annie them? I see him saying should I could have talked about Javi them. Didn't I say that? I also said when Jayden come back on the live, Jayden explain himself and say, Vani, if the man them not diss me nah go diss them and me they are Jamaica, me nah put me. You understand? So me basically say me understand where Jayden a come from. Me understand where Jayden a come from. And everybody will take we hear what them the people, whatever, me get Jayden and me understand Jayden. Me understand him. I say, but everybody get it. That me says me nah pick up. Me say everybody get it. Cause me in a court, me ask Don about the KK girl. Me ask Don about his wife when beat up. Me ask Art about him girl. Till the whole of them out for run me out of court say me hypocrite why me a jump on everybody. Me give everybody, so that's why me I say me can't understand.
Ivany, me go talk now, Ivany. Me go bumbuckler talk now. Cause me not like all this ago. And people are paid narrative and I'm bumbuckler Facebook blood clot hero. Tam. Oh, when they sit down and they do things, it's all fun. But when we talk a personal, who on this app have family way better than my family? Who upon this app way better than anybody? Come on now, Ivany. Every time they go for Yannick, when we talk, oh, it's personal. They go for Yannick who don't come on TikTok, come beg, who don't come on TikTok, come on live every minute. So every minute they come in on my household, then go for my dead friend, Joe. So when me a talk now, it's personal. The man bumbuckler dead. If you have a mother, you have a wife, you have blood clot picnic. Or if you stop being biased for the app, it's not only one-sided. Or if you be fair, nobody not take nobody personal. Me not sit down and stab him. Me not see Otto and shoot and fight.
How about this era? How about this? It can be like, alright, let me talk for me. Me can't
no, but hold on, Ivan, let me talk. I just love to make a talk for 5 minutes. Me never see Otto and threatening it. Me never see Jayden and threatening it. It never goes so far. It's all about entertainment, but me tell you what difference between me and Uno. Uno tell lie if people tell the joke. Me I talk facts and mix it with me joke. So when you not talk about personal, or not talk about my household a drunk crap. My household a dog shit. Me not worry nothing on this app. So everybody feelings come before my feelings. You know go so Ivany, I knew hear this. You know bumbuckler go so. I fear I tooth fear tooth. My mother grow me as a biblical youth. I fear I too fear tooth. And if you start being biased and be fear upon this app, we go for Annie, we go for Dummy. Look how me bring Dummy wife tonight.
You know what I said to Donia? Me like rate me rate hero. Me rate Donia. Me not office up on the toilet.
Me call her name.
Advani. Me say me not over there.
Do them me call her name and the girl never did. Do them me call her name and the girl name needs to call. The girl name.
My people, tell me what you think in the comment section and make you watch some more, my people, and then move on to the next.
Ivany.
Then just run the able boss will be too personal with you. Then just a class able to.
Hold on. To them say. Vix with the Vix vibes. Vix with the vibes. To them call the girl name. The girl never messaged me nothing bad. I said one thing. Nothing bad, one thing. So anybody who talk about me, not if you come back and expect me if you talk about them. Or if you stop it act like a one side this app go. Well, everybody have them people over here. Anybody can come and get gift. No when we talk, we not aim nobody. You never hear somebody send for your man over here yet, no matter what man tell me. Today me see a screen record. He ever say I go piss for my mother grave. Oh, me can't come and retaliate. That is very disrespectful to a man who have money. Come here, blood clot money can do things and we never go.
But word that you're not listening.
Listen what me say, Ivan. Me
understand, but listen now, you say you do it and them a blame you. The people them a what? We just the live with 6,000 odd people. Yeah. And everybody in the comments are class able. Nobody in the able side. The people them a tell able to him face, I say, boy, able, you did a get too personal. And the comment keep on a spam it till all me now, cause I never watch Able live. I look at clips me see. Me turn to Able and me say, Able, you did a be personal today because everybody I see that be personal. And then Able start explain for himself, me not watch it live. So I not only you the people them I say, me don't know what you Able have going on. But they say you are be personal and then Able have be personal.
Ivany, how is this personal? All my teeth are bleeding the way me I get mad. How is this personal? When they say your body skin out, you know, everybody don't know your skin out your body. Everybody don't know your skin out your body. Did I talk about Able mother? No chat, be real for real. Did I say anything about Able mother today?
That's in a minute what you live then, so I don't know. I know what you live.
Did I say, Mr. Able, your skin out your body for give? Did I wrong? Everybody knows your skin out your body for give. Everybody knows says I look a skin out. Give me, please. Give me the gift. I'm my best skin out for real. Everybody knows says a skin out of a gift. Everybody knows say you're captain skin out. You're captain for your team for skin out. Everybody know that you're a diabolical skin out. You're a delusional skin out. Everybody blood clot know that. So when we come now, I will say your skin out. Every day on For You page, I woman where your skin out to release. Did I say nothing about Able? Today when me a cuss. Ivany, today when me a cuss in a mig like mig, it meets, ask Jayden. Did I stop and clap Able to take him mother out of ghetto and put him mother in our house? Me a look. Me a look for the blood. Hold on, Ivany. Make the people them answer you. Today even when me class him, me no stop and tell him say, congratulations to take your blood clot mother out of ghetto and put your mother uptown in our nice blood clot house, Captain Skin Out. Did I say that to you? In Captain Skin Out? So how you come now? I act like we are taking it personal. Me big up people, same like how me this the man what I say you can play music though. And Uno I take it personal. I'm sure I want to have this with Uno. I want to lock this in our head. The internet ain't hero. Let's fuck him over because everybody is gonna fight with me and bantam him. But guess what me telling you, Ivany? I am back. I too
listen, you say why I could speak for both town. Honestly, me not watch the full live them.
Yes.
You go live the whole day. Me only see one little clip. So me, that's why me not jump in for say Able you're wrong or after you're wrong or whatever. Cause me not watch the video them. It only clips them me see I went on did that keep the live video and I thought that was very entertaining.
I got a weird man.
I thought that live was very entertaining.
Well, I'm not care if you walk out. You can talk about piss palm on a blood clot grave. You lucky a blood clot piss.
Never, me no know how the war start with them. Me no know what the live. The live did that go. Me asleep when the live go on.
Let me tell you something with you now, Jayden. Me know probably some of my things where you say personal, but nothing no personal. Captain Skin Out disrespect. I'm going to ever disrespect you when you say today. No boy can't say go and piss for my mother grade. I'm making sleep good tonight. No boy. No boy. Brother, listen to me. Brother, top blood clot come over here and beg gift. And come this him every day. And if you stop it.
Me not even know say that. I must say that.
Stop it.
Must say that's why the people them do that say but disrespectful and then they must say you.
Yeah, dog, a piss for grave.
Me don't know what no say me now watch the live them. And that's why I never get involved. I just sit down and say, we'll keep food court tomorrow. Can I make it milk coat them with something then? And we just laugh and fun. We say, alright, Lord, that tomorrow.
Don't say that.
Give them for them tonight. We'll get personal. Everybody say this. Shay bring up a topic, Shay jump, Jayden jump, can't feel like it I get too serious.
So if we stop going like, oh, it I get one side.
See that the comment I said, yeah, but went too far. The comment I said, you went too far.
And keep it real, bro. Keep it real and keep it so you can't just pick one-sided, bro. And say, oh, it a get personal. Oh, it a get this.
So let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. This all started from the first quote where you and Jayden keep, right? Me only see the little clips them when Jayden say my have the tightest pussy, who have the fuck up pussy, Vani, da da da. As me say, a joke for me, so I'm gonna pay that no man. Or it come up now where Abel get involved now. Or Abel get involved for him, for Abel get so vexed for evil turn on in life for cuss you. Or it reach this so.
I don't know if you cuss me about. When my cuss
or it reach this so for Abel come be disrespectful now for saying
what. In order to question me right now, you have to put on your judge clothes.
No, me nah.
Tell people them make you really no like down here. Since as you want to go personal. Tell them say you grow on a Nick yard with KK VSH and he come back early, come back saying head with him gun. I call on your whole place. And nobody no look for you. Tell them all of them sitting there.
Vani.
What is your problem?
Me a check for your friend last night, girl.
I'm back, go suck you, mama.
You're afraid of me like...
Look, you come over here act like you're this blood clot. Don't be a clot talk! Act like you're this blood clot butterfly. But all the while there's a blood clot caterpillar where you jump on blood clot grass. You will know you're a hypocrite. We know you're this instigator. So all you come over here like you got blood clot England, go drink a cup of blood clot tea. You's no blood clot queen or princess. You're too fenke. Cause you start on this blood clot up a too fenke business. So get your price up, buck to everywhere you see me, you shoot me down. Go shoot back down your blood clot papers. And first man, me see come a foreign, come first, come a jail. You know, come here, come expose foreign pan blood clot grenade, cause you come here pan plane and go straight and come out back. Everywhere you see me, you shoot me, you will have a plan for me. And now go back on the 876 roommate a blood clot again. Me don't care where one and one antagonize me on the bomb clot up for. Go on now, me I watch you shoot. You point it on like you work at airport.
Hey, Mr. Dawg Tun Tiltok, why you wanna blame me for your actions? You see? Me come now.
Some people, we are watch just a little bit of this and then we are going to go over to more serious matter. You see me, and also Shibal have some things to say about the youth of the Molan pan with the DRUG. You see me, I say, and me did share something with another video before this one and me forget. Me put it on the title but the video actually never in it. So me are going to give another video there. Right now after this and then we move on to the next.
Try look peace. I you want blame. It's like show me a look at peace. Okay, for sure. God, Mickey. Look a bit of conquerors, man. Me come here so I try make peace on the land. And you want blame me for your actions, them. So now everybody comes to them look a sense and gone. So now everybody want put it on me now. So me no want join me go now. So you no want blame me for my look actions, for your action them. I feel like you're mad at me because I'm friends with the person you're beefing with. I need a Tylenol right now. It is so crazy. Naughty Dracula. You see, baby, I'm not sure that it add me in a code. Can I give it to you, you know? May I really give it to you? May I give it to Shay? May I give it to Jayden? May I give it to Donia? May I give it to everybody? Look! This is my workplace. This is what I do for a living, beg. Why the hell you think I was gonna beg and not put a 45,000 USD? At least I get 9,000 to put by your mortgage. I hear you talking about your car, the 300k car. How much I gotta put down a month for that 300k car? Because this is America, you know. Oh, no. You don't buy that car right off. You use your good 7+ credit and a little down payment and you paid maybe a 5,000 month, 2,000. If me I pay 1,000 month for me look a coupe. That means to say you pay one good 3,000, 4,000. Baby love, your house is paid by mortgage. You probably pay a little $3,000 a month. You cannot hype on me. My people got it like that. Understand that, Judge Roy? I am Ivany, the queen of the sensation, and your pop, dumbass, 45,000 to 9,000. Now we have one more for go. Take a little 10,000 and make your way downtown, walking fast with your no score. And you're losing. And you're losing. Mickey! This is too much for me right now. Well, dog, I think you should add me to the court and let me show you how it's done.
Good try, my team, let's go.
I think you should join my court.
Mecca, Ruby, big up yourself, Lashla.
A piece.
Why are you telling people about Nick Cardi box you down? The KK,
peace. Jesus Christ.
Why are you telling them that?
Don't answer here, don't answer.
Tell them that now.
You're just
saying Nick Cardi box your time gone. The KK VSH. Come back in the yard, come see in I'm house. Tell the people all of them something there, man.
After we are
trying to talk and us highs, papers, samo.
Don't answer him.
Tell me something, boss. Where are going to tell me, say, are going to shoot me?
Hear me say.
We can't go content. You can't diss me in a real life. Me not time for you. So if I content for content, make
you can't listen to me. Me gonna always win over you. Me gonna always win over you. So that be nice. So me gonna always win over you.
Talk your fuck with them.
No, me gonna always win over you. No matter what you say. You can't
always win over me. Wait, what? Come the man.
We are trying to have peace out the world, dog. No one cuss. We will make you.
Me are trying to cuss, dog. Say that it is. Come me no one cuss, dog. Big man, cuss, dog.
We not cuss.
Big man thing, bro.
Listen to me now. Content for content. Make your content them boss me make for me.
Alright. You see it? Get easy.
After they on a war vibes. No pay no man.
Hear me say now. Ivany, all this job from content to war.
Alright, I tell you what me see.
Yeah.
I'm tell you. Me tell you the truth. Me did watching live, right?
Yeah.
This is what me see. And what me have to talk about. You and Donia have whatever you have. What you don't have. Me don't know what you have, you know, but only yeah. Get personal with each other this. So, but me I talk about what me see tonight, because me can't speak panic, because me don't really know what you have. I swear on my life, me don't really know what you have. But what me did I say, and the same thing me did I say to my life before you come. You can't keep a court and shake, she show two man. As a person we keep court, if you come in with a case and you show your case and say, judge, and the case that we have, it have to be speaking on. K show the boy, and then he show Javi and Akim. Obviously, Shay wanted that to be a topic. You as a judge say, alright, we're going to go up on the topic there. I will start talk about it. Jayden him back out now and say it a get too personal in Gambo film business. When you look, Shay jump because Jayden jump. Then the two of them add pan live and them a say it a get too personal. Shay I say a just fun. Me in a myself I said that fucked up. In a one sense or one way like, you're supposed to know say it about mix up, so you can't bring a mix up on the table and because your friend jump out of the mix up, you go and jump out now and you go and change your mouth now and say it is getting too personal. What you did I think when you did carry the case in a court? What you think did that go happen? We don't have a fun and joke.
I'll give 1 hour with a blood clot.
But we are going to talk about females now, how much money you have to pay.
How are you going to come and say?
Yeah, the people them say we're that way.
Yannick, them thing they played out. More to come with some facts and real facts. Real bumbo clock facts, more to start come with.
I think we're not different, you know.
The blood clot thing then. Cause guess what?
I'm mad enough to have no
thing now.
I think we're not different, and I think this was trolling, but
me and you sit down and we beat Anna. We beat the whole of Anna daughter and the whole of TikTok in a laugh. And when it start by you know, we not gonna say respect blood clot girl pity. Anna not have no feelings. Come on now, chat, be real. Anna not have no blood clot feelings. So when we sit down and beat Annie and beat Anna and the whole family, them never have no feelings. Them never have no feelings. Them are the person.
Jayden, quiet your fuck. Jayden, mix up. What's Jayden? Yeah, this is a court. This is a cuss. I don't quote this.
You pull on Rosalie foot. We not worry about not the blood clot, boy. Only when you reach on the blood clot doorstep, on the one blood clot play innocent. Go suck on the woman boy. One all the way plan up. I feel like you can't give up on me. If Jayden and Shayden no, me still.
You know, say fully quote professional. Bad to bad. Well, I'm gonna turn him down. Bad to bad, fully quote professional, especially with Dummy being the judge. Dummy know.
Everybody stand up and listen to him.
Dummy know off it. Dummy know off it. Walk him judge. I'll show them something there, man. I do my research.
Nobody know, nobody need to know. When I shit out a taste this blood class Sunday morning time, when I talk truth.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, guys. Oh, them want to quiet, so.
Oh, now get these people involved. Oh, now do this. Now, pussy. If everybody get beaten, everybody get beaten. This all stuff is fun. And the one you take it personal. When not being personal,
that's our feeling, man.
Seriously. When we stop it. And this one we still do an entertainment purpose.
Oh, I love it too, I love you, lad. I love you.
And when me attack, and that's the only thing me attack is facts. And that's why it's
no, I love you, no, for true. I get you know the business.
Same treatment. You know better than no bumbo club.
I love it too, I know.
Not a blood class soul. You have come talk about. Mr. Murphy say want to come back. Don't know where you achieve that mean. Ban this up.
Oh God, at 2026, man. We're not tapping foolishness, man. It's too on. At 2026.
Roll on not in name.
Me not do that.
Roll on not in name.
Oh God, we're not at 2026 now, man. We're not tapping. Guys, thanks. Me think I did troll, but this sound personal. This sound personal.
I can't be there to come out. I can't be on the come out. I can't be on the come out.
So I live in $1 million feet on papers too. It can't when I drive at 350,000 feet. On papers too.
Are you still up here for them?
What type of comeback me want to
Triple. Beg you one wheel, triple.
Hold on,
GLE.
Let's start fast.
Jayden wants skip his tour.
And then we'll talk about
Jayden wants triple. No. Triple. Jayden wants change the topic, but you don't want change the topic. Triple team, triple. Beg you a galaxy wheel. If I'm a proud self shoot, you not shoot, guys.
Things I don't really have none.
Boy, the people, you're so nice. Oh, you're so get real festive. Tell me what you think in the comments, from people, and make you watch some more.
Uno call Shay and tell Shay. Tell Shay if you come. Me afraid. Afraid of who? Afraid of who? Who am I afraid of? Who am I afraid of? Who am I afraid of? The first one did feel like entertainment, but this don't feel like entertainment. I don't feel good I beat it out them. I tell you the honest truth. Me personally, I don't feel good I beat it out them. It's too personal, man. Where there? Who are you over there? You better come over here, son.
It's too personal, Jayden.
It's too personal.
With you, it's too personal. I think of fun. But me say it on the line, say it sound personal. As I put up my hand, comedy want to talk, but me don't want to say, Your Honor, this is too personal. I think you have to throw out this case, but boy, I'm afraid. I have to run. Cause I found man, I found more what's me and Malika? More fun, me want to laugh and something. I want the personal business. No, I don't want the personal thing. Fun. I already tell him that. What the fuck are you talking about, girl? I already say that. You did it on level. I say, Your Honor, I think this is too personal. The fuck? The fuck you mean, Adi man, tell him that? Didn't I say that?
What them something? What them something?
Nothing, me just, them must tell me if you add him and tell him, but me I see the girl, I said, why you don't add him and, me say, girl, I did tell him say the too personal.
Which video them a talk about?
We just want to talk with the fire.
Which video them a talk about?
Me even raise my hand and tell him. Thank you, darling.
Oh, the one with the oh, the video there.
Wow.
Should I leave that alone?
Which video?
A local video, that video there.
It's there on TikTok. At the first one I see it, Jayden tap a fuckery, yeah? Upon TikTok it there. Been out, where you think me get it? No more TikTok. It there everywhere, thank you. It there everywhere.
Jesus Christ!
What them say why me never make this a personal? I have to run. Too personal, I have to leave.
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section. How the lion man at the ball cree and the one reach now yet. Yo, if you a troll people, you know what I mean? You have to control everybody. You can't say, boy, you not troll them are people. You all you do don't use certain things. You know what I mean? Where you know it's a serious matter. You use something else and troll them and everybody I get trolled. You see it? So let me know what you think with people.
Cold crumble onto blood clot. This a sound personal, you know?
The two personal. The two personal for sure. It is so like venting to me. It's the world again, you know?
What am I saying?
Mad me.
Bro, Uno can't give me the case. Uno have to fling some case, come give me. Uno take it, Uno give me the case about me. We have to fling the case about people. I saw we are going to win. Not too personal, boy, bro. Not too personal. Nothing. The TV, I come up here, man, see. It's setting up. The TV is about to connect.
Who's the first victim?
Over the wall. Look at the monitor and identify the three person who is on the wall.
Otto!
Who is in the middle?
Sir, who's in the middle?
Who is this over here?
Otto.
Who is in the middle?
Onela.
No, who is in the middle?
Donia.
Remember, see a tree jump.
You have Otto, you have Dante, I have...
Jesus, blood God, Christ. God. Jesus Christ, man. Look at the monitor and identify the three person that jumped the wall at once.
Otto, Dante, grab them.
Jesus Christ, man.
We get it wrong again?
Yes! Come check me a look. Look on the screen.
Otto,
identify.
Willie, Otto, Dante, Willie.
Come and put the screen nearer. Look for the three blood clot person and we have go over a wall at once.
He saw that.
Otto and him blood clot family.
Oh, Otto, the baby and Samantha.
Remember clot! Boy!
Yes!
Jesus Christ, man!
What happened?
What do you mean what happened?
All the big fat man they want to reach over the wall there.
One push one and one was gonna get it. Oh my God!
Me win for sure.
Jesus Christ.
My bride.
How did that big fat belly
Wait.
jump over that wall?
Wait! Put back shit got for the screen. Shit got never come here and sleep on your couch yet. Shit got all you send people for me. Wait! Yo! Cameraman, you move too fast! Put back your face, cameraman. You tell her when to
Put up
change,
the TV,
please.
put up the TV. We not see
We not see properly.
We not see good.
You not see?
Properly, George. We not
Come on.
can't see. Yes!
This is the conniving Ballarat.
Right.
Who didn't decide to push his mother over the wall and push over people pitting over the wall. Put the people them life in a jeopardy. Suppose the man didn't book them over Texas or ride the donkey and shoot the blood clot people them. You know say in Texas, the man never control the borderline. Then the donkey hee-haw. Did you know that? But here you plan up. I tell people who fi call for me. name. The car that I drive under my name. Everything in my name. The apartment where you live in your name. The bed where you take for a renter center, is it in your name? What do you guys have over me? Nothing. More than a fat stinking blood clot mouth on the internet. I am way more successful than you, have more ambition than you, and have more catalog than entertainment than you.
Your Honor,
yes.
Your Honor, is this a court?
Yes.
Because I think you're getting too personal.
No, we are being people.
Okay.
I beat.
Okay, let it out.
Let it out.
Let it out, you know, so, okay.
Let it out.
Yes, so let it out.
Next patient, same treatment. I'm not done it, you know.
Okay.
You wanna continue?
Can't come for me. I'm never go for him.
You feel like you wanna continue?
Who else?
Pause, cameraman. Go to screen blank now. Jayden, give me the case now.
You want me start?
Cameraman, give me the screen blank.
You want me start? Me ear say. Willie did figure fuck Vicky. But me hear say somebody did it. Somebody did a rock talk. That's why I never bother.
They said the chat too much. I mean your blood clot chat. Call blood clot name. They said they never want to have a chat too much because they said me a chatterbox. And nobody don't want to see me. No blood clot island talk. No blood clot island talk. They said me a chat too much.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Then says you see is you. Why them turn back?
Then time let me tell you something. Then time let me name boss mouth hero. I boss everything. So when time they talk, then time they never got me for real because I never tell back cable. But we should make it happen because I could have come chat about for him now.
True.
So what we do? Move on from that.
Moving on. Next patient, same treatment.
Yeah.
Your Honor. Me hear say a popular TikToker. Them bodyguard get wolf impersonate police.
Hold up now. Hold up. In here, let it out, you know. So if you don't let it out, you know, darling.
Your Honor, let it out.
Your Honor, if you want to move on from this case.
No, me there, me a try to figure out how a blood clot one. Cause she just drop a blood clot man for me so. And left me speechless, he come like a blood clot African Chinese show. When them a fly with the umbrella, we go kick down the next blood clot man. Me just a fly. Oh, you left me.
My people, how them say, let it out, Jaja. Why, yo, them people, yeah, I get themselves in that trouble when they come to other people and they mix up, yeah, you know. As me say, my people, if we not mix up everybody, but me not tell them, say, them fi talk the things them, but we get them on the wrong side of a man and make a man want to analyze them because people you never know that is TikTok. And me tell you say them youth here play with a lot of money. Not the youth them you know, but every TikToker we up there. You see it cause me a real dog I tell you everybody say yo me have so much money and you say certain things to me can't slide. You know what I mean? If me did die hard what and what more to do and something. And you know take them things lightly with people because I saw the TikTok of them time them we spend them money analyze you. Not only hurt you but analyze you. You see me I say? So let me know what you think, make you watch some more.
Your Honor, if you feel like you want to move on from that umbrella,
move on.
Your Honor, why do you have that
umbrella.
that umbrella over your head?
Right.
Danger.
Danger.
Talk to me.
It's rain falling or is something for...
What you just say?
I want to ask you if rain falling or is it something else?
Where I live right now, it is very cold and it is fill out the blank. S blank O blank W.
S blank O blank W. Oh, I don't know how to go myself a blood clot with this fuck, I don't. I don't know what I supposed to clot.
Next topic then if I want to do it.
I don't know.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I have a video here I want to show you. Can you identify it?
Show me. Show me.
Okay. Coming up now. Hello? Hello? Hello?
I honestly think that that doesn't prove anything.
Objection.
Why do you object?
I object because the background makes sense. You need to look at the background and identify everything you see here.
Make it just look funny. Just look funny.
Your Honor, do you have anything to say? Hello?
Why, Shay? I would have, me not even know that a blood clot. So me I move on. Shay, me don't know that a pussy clot. Me I move on. Talking things them. Yeah, you know say people them we want beat and we beat and them we beat. Cause beat the blood clot people that we are planning to beat with. We are beat them now. We are beat them now. And I will stop playing and beat the blood clot people them. We sit down and come blood clot beat with. That blood clot beat them now. Come stop beat one and Wid Shay and Jayden and beat the blood clot people them now, Jayden.
Right.
Who for blood clot play now? Who for get blood clot beat? Come in and ramp. Who for get them today? Me not ramp. Everybody come up with blood clot name and get it. Me not come and say Mickey Mouse build a house and who build a blood clot house.
Right, yeah,
Let me come let it out.
Right, let it out.
Cause guess what them a plan for do? Them a plan did not wait till we come for they can retaliate. But me ready to load up to blood clot. Cause me ready for them, you know. I me not wait for none of them. I me ready for Lego before New Year. Me not wait for them. You ready?
Ready.
Who forget it? Tana. Who forget it?
Duanya.
Dona.
Yeah.
You are one like your shit can make blood clot party. And a long time you out for me. And a long time you notice you want come for me. Every time you come from me, you come here with this comparison. You thought this, you thought that. Let me tell you something, bro. You see, if you have what you do, and what you do, you do it. Stop watch me. Me and you are two different blood clot person. You understand? Cause me know said that they shit over there, so me now go over there so go shit again. And you come like you love shit pan shit. So we are two blood clot different person. And you ask me, come talk about what you have. I know you alone have things down here. Me have things too. And you alone feel like, oh, you have also you can paint up. Them think they are blood clot, pick the mad blood clot sitting. Nobody now watch that. All the blood clot thing you have. We never sit down for your blood clot live yet. I'll give 1 hour what a blood clot joke. Only thing you do is flash your blood clot finger right up your house. And when you going to come and say, Swissy, Joe, Yannick, them thing they played out. More to come with some facts and real facts. Real bumbo clot facts, more to start come with. And load up the blood clot thing then. Cause guess what? And this is real blood clot thing now. 3 months ago, me and you sit down and we beat Anna. We beat the whole of Anna daughter. And the whole of TikTok did a laugh. And when it start for you know, you not gonna say respect blood clot girl pitney. Anna not have no feelings. Come on now chat, be real. Anna not have no blood clot feelings. So when we sit down and beat Annie and beat Anna and the whole family, them never have no feelings. Them never have no feelings. Them are the person. And you know have a daughter. And we not alone have blood clot feelings on the whole back. We have beat every mama blood clot on this. Cause you come and you put on Rosalie back, you put on Rosalie pussy, you put on Rosalie forehead, you put on Rosalie foot. We not roll back on none the blood clot boy. Only when you reach on the blood clot doorstep, on one blood clot play innocent. Cause suck on the mama and go away, all the way plan up and feel like you can't gang up on me. If Jayden and Shay left now, me still can't war with the blood clot. When if you talk facts, and what are we come for Annie? We come for little girl, we come for redance, we even involve redance picnic night and see a jacket. So oh when you reach food the doorway now, you better than people picnic. You better than a little baby. Oh when time you reach on the doorstep, nobody know and nobody need to know. You know God? You know shit out a taste this blood class Sunday morning time. You know talk truth. Talk never lie me I tell. Oh well we can come together and beat woman. But when you reach people's doorstep, oh not get these people involved. Oh not do this. Oh not pussy. If everybody get beaten, everybody get beaten. This all start for fun and the world all take it personal. But when you not beat person have fun, only when somebody else attack a serious thing, you know stop it. And this one still do an entertainment purpose only. Because I beat you with facts. And when me attack, and that's the only thing me attack is facts. And that's why it sounds serious. Next patient, same treatment. You know better than no bumbo clot body over here now. Not a blood clot soul. You can talk about. Me see you know if you say want to come back. Don't know where you achieve that mean. Pan this up. Only thing you do is fuck more gifted than me. And probably a sucky pussy too. But me not do that. I never come here with one gold spoon in my mouth. Everything me have I me achieve it. And the people that will help me. Let's start facts.
My people, let me know what you guys think. We're gonna watch some more.
Only thing you probably achieve more than me pan this up a fuck gifter. That's all the thing. You never do nothing more than this pan this up more than me. You buy house a Jamaica, me buy house a foreign. You also me live in $1 million feet, pan papers too. You car when me drive at 350,000 feet. Pan papers too. What you have more than me? What type of comeback me want for Uno? Want to achieve more than me? Let's talk facts. What on the share? Let me talk facts, Your Honor. What on me, Your Honor? But Jayden, wait. Let's talk facts. Uno love talk too much. And then uno talk about he want to come back. He want to this and that. I never beg you want a blood clot come back. I never beg you this. I'm going to tell you what I can't pray me to. Because you can't have me as puppet. The last time you come here, you come down here. And Yannick, me see like blood clot garage. See me here with me car say I come give Yannick back really, you know. See me here, Shay. I look for blood clot Yannick. Me say me get man. I run up the blood clot stage. Me say Yannick, me say come here. What the blood clot here on that start do? Here on then just tell me if you book one room for down here with me card and me say, bomb clot down here come occurring to you. Down here appear over blood clot, that's what you see, come for blood clot use with. Eh? All of a sudden they want to come down yourself to come with blood clot book room. You don't see a use, you better go put up your blood clot card and roll it outside your picnic. And if you can hold my blood clot picnic and I swear upon that. So when you come, all the thing you can come about a joke. Talk Shay.
Objection, Your Honor.
Object.
Me not like that.
You feel like it?
Recess.
I think. Listen what I think.
Yes.
You come for cuss.
A court.
So
I come to personal issues.
A court, we come for cuss. All them a talk about personal, we can't talk about personal. All them a say things. And we can't say things. What me a talk a facts is different from what them a say. A facts we a talk. Them a talking a blood clot things. You not afraid, me not afraid, and me a war. Talk it up. You not afraid, you know? Cause me not afraid. Me go for war.
Me not afraid. Me not no friend pie.
War we a war. Yeah. And me telling you this. You see, once anybody and me touch topic, you know, and when we touch topic, a war, we go for war. Nobody now worry about nothing. Only if you expect things. Shay, come and let it out. If you not let it out, you let it in. A war with it.
Let out everything.
Yeah.
I'm just professional.
So Shay, what else?
Well, dog, what else?
This also like this also.
Yo, I'm afraid.
Man, tell you what else?
What else?
So, Mr. Your Honor, the girl that Donia gone in a Bahamas with.
Shay, talk to me, no man. Talk to me, no man. A court case. Talk to me and talk fast.
Alright.
We not go.
The girl that I heard in Bahamas
Listen,
with.
hold on, Shay. Hold on. You can't say we have a personal and then you have to say that. You gonna make it look like the people them. You gonna make it look like me I go this and then we have go that. We have to keep it or we have to keep it. Jayden, stop look frightened and talk out your mouth.
You know that? Yes, but Jayden, you said.
You said.
The girl that I hear say in Bahamas with Donia, I heard is your ex, Your Honor. Is it true?
Is that true?
Your Honor, is that true?
So you better.
Your Honor. Don't you trouble Zion.
Oh, Your Honor, is that true?
Your Honor, is that true?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to be a part of that. Next question.
Yes, sir.
Objection.
Put it in our mouth side.
Hold on there. Next question. We're not talking about that.
Your Honor, objection. You have to answer the question.
No. Hold on. Let me say something. I will say this. Don't make the courthouse be against us. We go to fight against them. Who are fight against we? So if you don't want me to take out the whole blood clot up by myself and do it, tell me let me do it. I want to just keep quiet then.
No, Your Honor, we asked you a question. Talk about
you. I say right. Come and do it for the level which part of it stay. And come and do it.
Your Honor, it's on the level, but you have to answer the question. Is this about? It's not about you.
Who tell you that?
That's what I heard.
Who tell you that?
That's what I heard.
Shay, I think if you make me blood clot beat the people them, because you're afraid. Me think if you make me go beat the blood clot people them because you're afraid.
I'm not afraid.
You're afraid and you don't want to get involved. Me see it. You're afraid, you don't want to get involved. So come and beat the people them, I'll show you how me beat people them. Come and beat the people them, I'll show you how me beat people them. Cause you're afraid. No, you're afraid. You know what? Me tell you, you don't want to come back and you don't want to say nothing. They're afraid. So come and beat them and forward back and show you how me blood clot beat people. Come and show your Facebook hero. Alright.
Alright.
You're afraid. We're Jayden afraid. You're afraid, you know what you know.
More people in there on it? More. Now that shit about me? More people in there.
So when a man come and a man say, bro, me go and find your mother grave and piss on it. You don't take it personal now. You take it for me find out people where you live because me I find you before you go piss on my mother grave. And me know no love content. And anyhow, you ever try do that, they go and lock me up. Cause me going to throw every bumbuckler thing me ever earned in my life and me not care what nobody want to say. Cause me I go do you something where not even nobody never expect. Then go and find your Anna head different. I mean now hide and talk. You pass your bumbuckler place. You pass it. You don't run no joke. A serious bumbuckler thing that you say. You don't come talk about piss pan grave. You believe lucky say a foreign me there. If I did Jamaica me there with all what me have. And tonight you don't sleep peacefully. Cause you violate. You fucking violate. If I did Jamaica me there tonight you don't sleep peacefully. You violate. And if a some man you say that too, I know you have problem, you have to call 6-7 down. Oh, he never mean it. Oh, he never do that. But me not show the side of me. So you have all right if you can say this and all right if you can say that. You know, pussy. I'm going to stand upside Black Madge, Jennifer Alien bumbucklad car, where shoot me out her bumbucklad for 9 months and never blood clot betray me, never. All when me wrong. Me now go give up my mother for no gift none at all. Me go and stay beside blood clot her all when she dead. But me go and tell you this. Me no want an apology from you. Your teeth will pit out. Your teeth will pit out of your mouth. You never ever pass your place and talk about. No care where you hear me and nobody over you have. Me never tell nobody about dig up mother. Me always say go suck your mother. Because all when I joke when I make me see 200 upon live and I run joke. Go suck your mother, suck your mother and still a play. So me always find it say suck your mother is like a joke at Jamaica now. But when you now go to dead mother and dig up mother and piss for mother grave. This is not personal. You're gone far. You're gone blood clot far. And then you know what I say? Oh, me take it personal. That's why I just stay wait for everybody gone. For tell you no. So oh now tell me say me take it too personal now. When a man say they're going to piss for my mother grave. Find my mother grave and piss for it. Stop that dog. You know if you know entertainment. It take me too soft. Show some boy me pop boy. Come talk about make all blood clot my sister them feel that way about piss pan grave. You ever call it, ever sister ever call it and come tell about You need to keep your personal life from your mother dead. What the fuck? So I say because I me make them a disrespect my mother. No, me I take it personal. No, we gone personal because I make my sister them a pray me. Say me come with me internet life and make it people them a blood clot disrespect them mother. So me take it personal. One of the go man. Yeah, dog. Go, bro. So when you come and I say, where? And any idea, me still win. And any idea, me still win you. He's a batty man for give. He's a batty man for give. He's a whore for give. He's a prostitute for give. He's a TikTok go-go. Everybody you want trick and style. You scam out everybody on the app. You never win a fair game yet. All I do is sell body wall and sell your cock. Captain Pile, all you do is sell your body wall and sell blood clot pile to people. You trick out the poor people them on the bumbo clot app. You have to talk me a miracle racer today. The amount of views you get, you never get it so from the ear blood clot start Captain Pile. So how you have to come and bumbo clot style me? Eh? How you have to come and style me? No care how you dress, you never look good yet. You know we are nothing good. You don't do nothing good. So nobody can go on like, you want to style me. Nobody never remember you until today. That me I tell you. So go on about no business. May I tell you no? Tonight, I send a message in a discard. After that, I remove myself from the discard. Point blank completely. I start surround myself. I text me people, them my number over and text me. I make them can get direct to me. Me I move, bro. Me I move, bro. 4 minutes to 12 o'clock. I'm going, bro. And believe me. Real shit. Big man thing.
You know, you see them pull him out of the line. Somebody say Rich Rush next. Yeah, them pull him out of the line, my love. Then Marky really, then when Marky will come back home and say, then I did Marky, Lord Jesus, a Trump in a power now, Lord God, why Marky choose this power for get caught? A Trump in a power and a Biden, you know, why Marky couldn't get caught in a Biden? Why you get caught in a Trump? Lord have mercy upon Marky's status. Then they now go send you back and look how them send for others. Them send for others and never send you back. But I like the switching a destiny swap. Thank you, Straight. Thank you, Hillary. Hillary want yeah. Me not understand all of this happening. Somebody explain this to me now, please. Somebody better explain it to me before I start clean card, you know. Cause you know me not tobacco yet now. Man, you remember for Jayden, my friend named Shay. Eh? Then you tell me say all along Marky dead, Marky in a real estate father, Marky a walk with a white lady. Eh? And Marky get caught before the year done. No, auntie still separate. No, for sure. Then you can imagine. Ladies, don't let any man ruin your day. Don't I know to go and that's such a go on, you know. And you can't go on like her. You can't go on like her. That's why enough people you see out the road, you leave them alone. Enough people you see out the road, you leave them alone. Yeah, but I want to buy into the fakeness. You see, when you not buy into the candy brothers, it's when them still and them say a boy I go on the most way and not being authentic, them gravitate to it. That's why enough of them say people that drive this and don't realize when them go through forget it. Look at Able Boss. I saw Able Boss drive. No, you're not to be jealous. True. You're not to be jealous, thank you, true. You're not to be jealous because you don't know how them get it and which part of them are hurt them. Right, you know all part of me are hurt me, my bro. I'm not telling you, the boy cut me up in the corner and he might tear the hole of my vagina. Eh? She be called Akeem name. My wife want me not see the message there. Me not see that text there. Somebody stick it up now. Me not see the message, my love. Thank God for the little you have. Little is much when God is in it. Oftentimes we bad mind people and we don't know what them go through to stay relevant. Yeah, them say real estate fraud, but you're not able to cocaine part too. Come like you're not able to cocaine part. Them pull up the whole of them charges. I don't want them we have a Jamaica. I want long you piss me now my phone a charge. I want long you piss me now so now come with half and half. Me have everything I want long you piss up. Yeah. It look like Batty wasn't enough. Then you know take a man, marry the man, run off into the sunset. Jesus. Me if you read it too now, I can't hardly read. Look here, lady got suck out it. I will diss the woman here now. But read it to us. And you know me can't hardly got suck out it. I will class that bitch here now. I will class that bitch here, man. Yes. Jovian Markland versus the United States of America refers to a real legal case. The United States versus Marky Markland, in right name again, was involved in drug trafficking case. Sorry, cocaine intercepted by U.S. Border Patrol. You see them with legal proceeding. Hold on there. I can't see the rest of this. With legal proceeding, I don't know what this means if I recorded on platform like court listeners. While I don't know this clown deals done, or these are his phrases. The phrases versus US point. I don't know the attack you're saying. I don't know what you're saying, because something black out this. But it said this specific criminal prosecution, not a fictional battle involving serious federal charges related to smuggling. Related to smuggling. Yes. The prosecutor versus Markland. Nature of case, federal criminal involving drug charges. Yes, specifically cocaine possession and trafficking. What that say? Now tell me about the Patamuma blood finger. Me have gonna news. Yeah. So you see it. How can I stop this? They need to print out this code and they realize my vision. Mr. Queen's Criminal Court. Oh, the same status black, brown, I'm ear black, him eyes them brown, him a Jamaican. Him a male, him born 1989. Marky a big man. In 1989, Marky a big man. Him look good though.